Hey guys, I've got a box to review. It was sent to me here. I know what's inside, but you're going to have to wait until after this intro. See if we can cut it open and see what's inside. They gave me an opportunity to review it and have a look at the product here. It's something I thought would be interesting to have in my little studio here when I'm playing guitar and stuff. Alright, so what we have here is a mini laser stage light kit, and it has a little remote control, and it looks like a little mounting bracket and stuff. It says this must see high bright lighting effect, laser effect with more than 1,000 plus beams. Well, that's interesting. And then it has some other information here, how many watts. I guess it has a green, red, and blue laser maybe. Remote control, sound active, and it has autoplay. Oh, okay, some come in red and green and some come in red and blue. I think this is probably the red and green, I'm not sure. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So it looks like we have a remote control here for controlling it. It's good they gave us an adapter, so there's no like batteries or anything to plug it into. Not sure what's in here. Oh, this looks like the mounting hardware, the mounting bracket, some little screws, Allen wrench, a little tiny Allen wrench. And here we have the actual unit, and we have some instructions. On the back, it looks like we have a little knob, and we have a on and off switch. It's a metal. Looks like we have our mini stage lighting. I guess this is where it emits. It's got infrared, I guess, for the remote control. It's good. The remote control does come with batteries. It's got the little slide out thing. Let's see if we can connect the bottom on this. Well, it looks like on this little metal piece here that they didn't actually punch all the way through to make the holes to be able to screw this into the wall or something. But that's okay. That's not a big deal. I wouldn't consider it a deal breaker. You know, if you're gonna mount something, I got a little drill. I can drill little holes in there. Okay, so it does stand on its own. It does have like a little stand, and you can aim it up or however you would like. I guess aiming it up if you're gonna stand it, shoot it up on the ceiling. Okay guys, well you guys can't see on the wall right now what I'm seeing. So what I'm gonna do here is I am going to move this out of the way and shine it down here on top of the desk so you can see the designs it's making, and we'll play with it a little bit. Okay, so I have got the remote control here. Let's turn it on. This is like the basic setting, and you guys can't tell how wide this is going, but it's going like way wide. It's actually going across. It's got such a wide span that this is kind of really just the center of what's going on, but it'll show you that I'll show you the different patterns here. So I've got the red and green, and it's going through a collage of things there. I've got just the red, which is pretty cool. And we've also got the green. There's a little speed controller here, so we can speed these up really fast. That's pretty crazy. And we can slow them down. Let's see if we can slow them down here. Now that's pretty neat. We can actually have them going into a motor stop, and that freezes the motor. Start it again, freeze it. So if you just wanted a pattern to shine on the wall, which is really cool, or the floor, or wherever you want this thing to shine. And this thing's pretty neat. It has a couple music modes. It has a flash mode. Okay. It has music 1. Okay, so it's picking up my sounds and changing them to that. It's got music 2. See if it picks up my clap. So I guess that'll go with the music. I'll have to get some music on here and see exactly how it works. What do you guys think? But yeah guys, I would definitely say that this is a little gem, and it was like, I think they go for like $25. My overall impression, very cool. It's very quiet. It does have a little cooling fan in the back. You can barely hear it. Right now it's attached to my microphone stand, and you can't really hear it at all, even attached to the metal. Normally I can just, touch my stand and you can hear my finger. It performs as expected. I think this will be a very good addition to have just some atmospheric lights in my room, and for the little studio here when I'm playing music. Company that sent me this is Uking, and it can be found on Amazon, I believe. I'll have a link below. There's nothing to complain about it. It's a little mini laser light show, and for it being as small as it is, it's pretty impressive. I do like the designs. It's a good atmospheric thing. So if you enjoyed this demonstration and review and would like to see more of these, hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.